If you're over 40 and still dressing the same way you did in your 20s, it's time to talk. Because style is one of those things that either works with you, adding confidence, class, and presence, or it works against you, making you look outdated, sloppy, or like you're chasing trends that left a decade ago. And here's the truth. Aging doesn't mean dressing boring, but it does mean dressing smarter. There's a big difference between looking mature and looking old. And unfortunately, a lot of guys fall into the second category without even realizing it. We're breaking down 20 style mistakes that instantly age you and how to avoid them. From fit to footwear, from fabrics to final touches, these are the silent killers of modern, mature style. Let's get into it. 1. Wearing baggy, loose-fitting clothes. The number one mistake that makes older guys look older: wearing clothes that don't fit properly. Baggy jeans, oversized shirts, puffy jackets. These don't just hide your body, they exaggerate it in all the wrong ways. Loose jeans make legs look shorter and wider. An oversized polo drapes like a curtain, and when everything hangs off the body, it creates a silhouette that's round, slouchy, and unrefined. Fit is everything. And no, that doesn't mean tight, it means tailored. Go for slim, not skinny. Go for structured, not shapeless. When clothes follow your body's natural lines, everything else, from posture to confidence, follows. 2. Holding on to outdated jeans. If your jeans still look like they came from a mall in 2002, they probably did. Think faded, loose, overly long, or anything with too many cargo pockets or stitched on patches. These scream dated, not classic. Jeans are a staple, but they age quickly when the wash, rise, or cut isn't modern. Avoid styles that pool around your shoes or sit way below your waistline. Stick with slim, straight, or tapered fits. They're flattering on most body types, and they give just enough shape without looking like you're trying too hard. Look for mid-rise or high-rise jeans too. They help create a cleaner silhouette and avoid that long torso, short leg problem older men often run into. 3. Choosing the wrong denim wash. Color matters a lot, and wearing the wrong wash is one of the quickest ways to make denim look cheap or juvenile. Light wash jeans, overly distressed denim, or jeans with fake-looking, fading looks sloppy and immature on most older guys. They're hard to dress up and often clash with more refined pieces. Want an instant upgrade? Go for dark indigo or deep navy. These look clean, elevated, and effortlessly sharp. They pair just as well with a polo as they do with a blazer, and they visually slim your lower half while making your outfit look more intentional. Medium blue works too, especially in warmer months, as long as the rest of the outfit stays polished. 4. Thinking any shirt goes with jeans. A lot of men throw on jeans and assume any top works with them, but not every shirt pairs well, especially when you're over 40. Old graphic tees, worn-out polos, or wrinkled button-downs don't do jeans any favors. They create a disconnect between your top and bottom, making the whole outfit feel lazy. A sharp pair of jeans deserves an intentional shirt. Stick to well-fitted button-downs in solid colors like white, light blue, or navy. They instantly make the outfit feel elevated without feeling too dressed up. If you're going casual, a structured polo or Henley in a neutral shade adds polish without sacrificing comfort. 5. Wearing boxy polos or cheap fabrics. Cheap polos are a fast track to looking older, and not in the seasoned and sophisticated way. Boxy fits with droopy sleeves, worn collars, or loud logos age an outfit instantly. They flatten your frame and look like something pulled out of the back of a drawer. The fix? Look for polos that fit in the shoulders, hug the arms slightly, and taper at the waist. High-quality cotton or merino wool blends elevate the texture and hold their shape better through the day. Keep colors clean: navy, gray, black, olive. Let the fit do the talking, not the graphics. 6. Wearing shirts too long or untucked when they shouldn't be. Untucked shirts are fine, if they're the right length, but when shirts fall past the hips or drape like a dress, they look careless. And if you're layering a button down under a blazer or jacket, tuck it in, always. Tucking in defines the waistline, sharpens the silhouette, and makes the outfit look purposeful, not thrown together. For casual fits, a French tuck, where just the front is tucked in, can create a laid-back but stylish look. The key? If it looks sloppy untucked, it probably is. Don't let the tail of your shirt drag your outfit down. 7. Skipping layering or jackets. Overlooking the power of a great jacket is one of the most common style mistakes men over 40 make. Wearing just a shirt with jeans might feel easy, but it often lacks depth and polish. Without layers, the outfit can look flat and unfinished. The solution? 8. thinking leather jackets are just for younger guys. Think leather jackets are only for the younger crowd, not even close. In fact, the right leather or suede jacket can look even better with age. Seriously, avoid motorcycle-style jackets with studs, buckles, or excessive zippers. These tend to feel costumey after a certain age. Instead, go for streamlined leather jackets in black, brown, or tan. Keep the lines clean, the collar minimal, and the fit tailored. When worn over a sweater or polo, leather adds an understated coolness that feels mature, not try-hard. 9. Ignoring outerwear. That adds elegance, and make sure they end mid-thigh or slightly above the knees to elongate the frame. Want to level up your weekend outfit without a full suit? Throw on a wool coat over a turtleneck and jeans. That's timeless style right there. Lightweight wool blends are great for transitional seasons, offering structure without overheating. If the occasion calls for it, a neatly folded pocket square in your coat's chest pocket can subtly elevate your outerwear. And when it comes to buttons, opt for darker tones that match the coat for a cleaner, sleeker impression. 10. Choosing the wrong shoes. Footwear makes or breaks an outfit, and one of the fastest ways to age a look is by wearing the wrong shoes with the right jeans. Bulky running sneakers, worn-out trainers, or orthopedic-style shoes instantly kill the sophistication of an otherwise well-put-together outfit. To keep things sharp, the key is clean, intentional footwear choices that complement the rest of the look. Leather loafers are a classic go-to. They're comfortable, easy to style, and add instant polish. Chelsea boots offer a sleek, minimal silhouette that works especially well in the fall and winter months. Minimalist leather sneakers in white, navy, or gray are great for a modern casual vibe. Just be sure to skip loud logos or bright colors. And for dressier occasions, derby shoes or brogues bring that refined edge that pairs perfectly with dark denim. The bottom line? Shoes should feel modern and balanced, not overly sporty or clunky. The right pair grounds the outfit and gives it that final touch of confidence. A well-chosen shoe doesn't just support your step, it supports your image. It tells people you pay attention to the details. And in style, details are where the difference is made. 11. Wearing running shoes with jeans. Wearing bulky running shoes with jeans is a style misstep that instantly throws off the balance of your outfit. They look too sporty, add unnecessary bulk, and clash with anything remotely refined. Unless you're literally heading out for a run, they don't belong. Instead, opt for minimalist leather sneakers, sleek, clean, and comfortable. If you need extra support, go for cushioned suede or leather options. Save the athletic shoes for the gym. 12. Clinging to square-toed dress shoes. Remember square-toed dress shoes from the early 2000s? It's time to let them go. They're bulky, visually awkward, and feel like something left over from a failed office dress code. Modern style leans toward round or slightly pointed toes, especially with jeans. These create a sleeker line and look significantly more current. Look for suede or polished leather in dark brown, oxblood, or black. Paired with jeans and a blazer, they elevate everything. 13. Not matching belts and shoes. A common mistake that instantly throws off an otherwise sharp outfit is wearing a belt that doesn't coordinate with your shoes. A black belt with brown shoes creates a visual disconnect. Pairing a rugged canvas belt with sleek dress loafers sends mixed signals. And let's not forget the oversized, flashy logo buckles. Those don't just distract, they derail the entire look. The solution is straightforward. Keep your belt clean, classic, and coordinated. Match the leather of your belt to your shoes, brown with brown, black with black. Skip any bold patterns or oversized buckles. A slim, simple belt with a polished buckle blends in seamlessly, complementing your outfit instead of competing with it. It's a small detail, but when done right, it reinforces the whole look. 14. Wearing oversized or worn-out belts. On the topic of belts, if it's thick, cracked, or stretched, it's past its prime. Avoid chunky belts with oversized buckles. They look juvenile and often distract from an otherwise sharp outfit. A sleek leather belt with a clean buckle does the job and disappears into the look, in a good way. Keep one in black and one in brown. That's all most guys need. 15. Ignoring accessories that elevate. One common mistake older men make is thinking accessories don't matter, or worse, skipping them altogether. This is what takes an outfit from decent to forgettable. Wearing a nice shirt and jeans is a good start, but without the right details, the look often feels incomplete or bland. Neglecting accessories like watches, sunglasses, or small layers leaves your outfit flat and lacking personality. Now here's the fix in the lean into refined, intentional accessories. Start with a watch. It doesn't have to be expensive, just clean, classic, and neutral. A leather strap or metal bracelet is more than enough to sharpen your look. Sunglasses should match the tone of the outfit and flatter your face. Stick to timeless styles like aviators, wayfarers, or rounded tortoiseshell frames. No neon lenses or wraparound sport shades. And if you're adding a blazer or overcoat, don't overlook scarves or pocket squares. 16. Wearing sporty sunglasses with stylish outfits. Wraparound sunglasses or neon lens shades may work for a hike, but not for date night. They instantly clash with refined pieces and look out of place with everything from jeans to tailored coats. Classic sunglasses add structure to the face, balance to the outfit, and timeless cool. Avoid anything that looks like it was handed out at a car show in 2004. The goal is to enhance your look, not distract from it. Stick with frames that have clean lines and neutral tones. Black, tortoiseshell, or matte finishes always work. The right pair of sunglasses should feel like an extension of your style, not a mismatch from another outfit entirely. 17. Wearing flip-flops off the beach. There's a time and place for flip-flops. That time is summer. That place is the pool or beach. Everywhere else? They bring the outfit down. Especially with jeans, flip-flops look disconnected and underdressed. Even in warm weather, opt for leather sandals, espadrilles, or casual loafers if breathability is the goal. Keep the beachwear for vacations, not errands or evenings out. 18. Wearing stiff or cheap jeans with no stretch. Denim has evolved, and so should your expectations of comfort. Old school 100% cotton jeans might seem durable, but they often lose shape, feel stiff, and limit movement. Look for jeans with a little stretch, around 2 to 3% elastan. They move better, hold their form, and still maintain structure. Comfort and style don't have to be a trade-off. The right jeans give both. Stiff, non-stretch denim can make even a well-fitted pair feel rigid and outdated. When jeans don't move with the body, they work against your posture and presence. Stretch denim allows for cleaner lines that stay sharp throughout the day. They also reduce sagging at the knees or waist, which helps maintain a polished look. Once you try the right stretch blend, going back to stiff denim feels like stepping into the past. 19. Wearing low quality or fast fashion denim. Jeans don't have to be designer, but they shouldn't be disposable either. Low quality denim fades fast, loses shape, and starts to sag in all the wrong places. Invest in pairs that hold up. Brands like Levi's 5, 11 or 502, AG, Ralph Lauren, or even Brunello Cucinelli if you're ready to splurge, all offer fits and fabrics that respect your time and money. A good pair of jeans is like a good watch, worth the investment. Look for denim that feels sturdy but has enough stretch to move with you. Pay attention to the stitching, pocket shape, and rise. Those subtle details make a big difference. The right pair of jeans should last you years, not months, and the longer they last, the more they mold to your shape in becoming your own. Cheap jeans may save you money up front, but you'll keep replacing them. Quality denim becomes part of your signature style, reliable, refined, and always ready. 20. Dressing like you're still in your 20s. Here's a big one. Trying to dress like you're still in your 20s doesn't make you look younger. It actually does the opposite and ages you even more. Super trendy pieces, flashy graphics, distressed denim, or sneakers that look like they belong to a 16-year-old. They all signal trying too hard. Instead, lean into refined simplicity. Clothes that fit well, feel good, and speak softly. That's timeless. That's powerful. And that's what real style looks like after 40. Mature style doesn't shout. It knows its worth. It's about confidence, not costumes. When your clothes reflect who you are, not who you used to be, everything falls into place. You move differently. You get taken more seriously. And most importantly, you feel like the best version of yourself. Looking older doesn't have to mean looking old. Style is a language, and the older you get, the more refined that language should become. These mistakes don't just affect how others see you. They affect how you carry yourself, how you walk into a room, how you feel when you catch your reflection. And the fix? It's not about buying more, it's about choosing better. So clean out the closet, let go of what no longer serves you, and build a wardrobe that reflects who you are and where you're going. Because great style never expires. But bad style, that ages fast. Enjoyed the breakdown? Then it's time to level up. Hit that like button, subscribe for more refined men's style, and drop a comment with the style mistake you see most often or the one you're guilty of. And if you're ready to build a wardrobe that looks as sharp as you feel, check the description for curated essentials picked specifically for guys over 40. Stay sharp and stay timeless.